Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the app and confirming permissions so payments work reliably. Open App Store, install Google Wallet, then sign in with your Google account. Once done, grant location, Bluetooth, and notifications so Tap to Pay and Transit Passes function. Make sure you have your physical card or card details handy. You'll need the number, CVV, billing address, and sometimes an ID photo for verification. Now tap Add to begin adding Next you add the card and go through verification so the card is authorized. Tap Add, choose payment method and card, then either scan the card with your camera or type the details. After submitting, your bank will ask you to verify ownership. This can be a text code, email link, or a small temporary charge with a code. Make sure to complete that step. Once verified, set a default card and enable express transit for faster rides if the issuer supports it. To pay in stores, open Google Wallet, pick the card, then hold your iPhone close to the contactless reader and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode when prompted. Once done, the terminal should confirm payment. For transit, enable express transit and just tap the gate with your selected card. No authentication required for supported systems. If something goes wrong, restart the app, check permissions, or remove and re-add the card. If the bank blocks the verification, contact your issuer to clear holds and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.